Hello children, this is E Standard Maths. Chapter name is Algebraic Expression and Identity. There exercise 9.5. Let's check our last week homework some children. Second and third question is homework by using x plus a, x plus b identity. And third main find the following square by using identity. In that second question, third question and fourth, sixth is homework. Let's check the answers. Now second main, use suitable identity homework sums. Okay, x plus a, x plus b. By using this identity, we have to solve the sum. Second question, 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1. Write the identity x plus a, x plus b equal x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now write the same question here, 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1. And in the place of x, we have to write x square. In the place of x, we have to write 4x. And in the place of a, we have to write 5. And in the place of b, we have to write 1. So x value is 4x now, a value is 5, b value is 1. So x square means we have to write 4x square plus a value is 5 plus b value is 1. X means x value is 4x plus a value is 5, b value is 1. Okay, now 4x square is 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, x square plus 5 plus 1 is 6, bracket means into 6 into 4 is 6 4s are 24x till here. Okay, plus 5 1s are 5. So answer is 16x square plus 24x plus 5. Now third question, 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. X plus a, x plus b equal x square plus a plus bx plus ab. By using this identity, we have to solve the sum. Write the same question here, same thing, 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. Now, what is the x value? X value is now 4x and a value is minus 5 and x value is same 4x and b value is minus 1. So, in the place of x, we have to write 4x. In the place of a, we have to write minus 5. In the place of b, we have to write minus 1. So x square means 4x square plus a value is minus 5 plus b value is minus 1. Write the value here minus 1. X means x value is 4x plus a value is minus 5 together means into minus 5 into b value is minus 1. Now 4x square means 4 4s are 16. X into x is x square plus minus 5 plus into minus is minus 1. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 and 4x plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, 5 ones are 5. Answer is 16x square plus into minus is minus, 6 4s are 24, bracket means multiplication 24x plus 5. Now third mean, find the following square by using the identity. In that second question, xy plus 3z whole square. So which identity here we can use? Here we can use a plus b whole square. It look like a plus b whole square. So this is identity here. A plus identity we used here. A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a, we and write the same thing here. Same question, xy plus 3y here down. And a means a value is xy now. B value is 3z. Now a value is, in the place of a value is now xy and b value is 3z. In the place of a, we have to write xy. Formula is a square. A square means we have to write xy square plus 2 into a value is xy into b value is 3z plus b square means we have to write 3z square whole square. Now y into xy. So x into x is x square, y into y is y square. X square y square plus 2 into x into 3z. 2 3s are 6. xy into z is xyz plus 3z into 3z. Whole square means multiplying 2 times. So 3 3s are 9. Z into z is z square. Answer is x square y square plus 6xyz plus 9z square. Now third question in that. 6x square minus 5y whole square. It looked like a minus b whole square formula. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So so write the same question here. 6x square minus 5y square. Same question here. So a value is now 6x square. So in the place of a, we have to write 6x square. B value is 5y square. In the place of b, we have to write 5y square. Write the values at side. A value is 6x square. B value is 5 y. Now this is identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to apply the identity here. A square means a value is 6x. 6x whole square, 6x square whole square minus 2 into a value is 6x square into b value is 5y plus b square means what is the b value? 5y square whole square. Now 6x square whole square means 6x square into 6x square multiplying 2 times. So 6 are 36. And x to the power 2 plus 2 is 4, not multiplication, okay? Power or exponent always we have to add. Okay, x to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60 or 2 5 are 10, 10 6 are 60. Multiply it here and x square y plus 5y square, 5y into 5y we have to multiply 2 times. So 5 5s are 25 and y square. Sixth question, homework sum 2xy plus 5y whole square. Formula is a plus b whole square. It look like a plus b whole square formula. Identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Write the formula. Then write 2xy plus y square once again here. 2x plus y whole square once again here. Now a value is now 2xy. So in the place of a we have to write 2xy. B value is now 5y. In the place of b we have to write 5y. So a square. A square means 2x y, a value is 2xy, b value is 5y, right hand side. So a square means a, what is a value? 2xy whole square plus 2 into a value is 2xy into b value is 5y plus b square means 5y whole square. Now answer is 2xy whole square means multiplying 2xy into 2xy in 2 times, 2xy into 2xy. So 2 2s are 4, x into x is x square, 2 times x, y into y means 2 times y square. So x square y square, 4x square y square plus multiply till here 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, xy into y is xy square means power 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5 square whole square means multiplying 5y in 2 times, 5y into 5y, 5 5s are 25 and y square. Now fourth main children, simplify a square minus b square whole square. Now simplify in that a square minus b square whole square. So here which identity we can use here? Yes, here we can use a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal, what is identity? Equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity we used here. So write the question once again here. A square minus b square whole square equal. So what is the a value? A value is now a square, b value is now b square. A value is a square, b value is b square. Write the values at side. A equal a square, b equal b square. So in the place of a we have to write a square, in the place of b we have to write b square. So identity is a square. A square means what we have to write? A square whole square minus 2 into ab. A value is a square into b value is b square plus b square. B square means b value is b square whole square. So b value is square whole square. Now a to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 minus no numbers means 1 is there, 2 ones are 2. A square into b square is, answer is a square b square plus b to the power b square whole square means exponent, add the power 2 plus 2 is 4. Answer is a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 4 plus b to the power 4. Now next question is third question, 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. So by using identity we have to solve the sum. See here we can use a minus b whole square identity, here a plus b whole square identity. Here we can use a minus b whole square identity and here we are using a plus b whole square identity we are using here. Okay, now write the same question here. So here we are using a minus b whole square, it look like a minus b whole square, and here we are using a plus b whole square. So a value is 7m, b value is 8m here also a value is 7m, b value is 8n. So in the place of a we have to write 7m. In the place of b we have to write 8m. Write the values at side. A value is 7m and b value is 8n. Now answer is, so what is the identity? A minus b whole square identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square. No need to write. If you want means write here a square minus a minus b whole square identity and a plus b whole square identity. So we can write directly. A square means 7m whole square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 7m into 8n plus b square means 8n whole square plus, here we are using a plus b whole square formula. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means we have to write 7m whole square plus 2ab means 2 into 7m into 8n plus 8n whole square equal. Now simplify here children. 7m whole square means 7 sevens are 49m square. Now multiply till here 2 into 7 into 8m. 2 sevens are 14. 14 into 8 we have to multiply. What is how much? 14 eights are 2 into 7 into 8. 14 eights are how much? 2 sevens are 14. 14 eights are 112. M into n is mn plus 8n whole square means 8n into 8n. 8 eights are 64. N into n is n square plus, we can remove the bracket here, 7m whole square means 7 sevens are 49. M into m is m square plus 2 into 7 into 8. 2 sevens are 14. 14 into 8 is same number 112. M into n is mn plus 8n whole square means 8 8s are 64 n square. Okay. Here any like terms means same variables, same letters, numbers with the same letters. 49m square and 49m square same family members. Okay, so they are like terms. And minus 112mn plus 112mn same family members, mn family. So minus 112 and plus 112mn means 0. Okay, subtraction, so 0, they are cancelled. And 64n square and 64n square, these are same family members, so like terms. 64n square and 64n square are like term, and 49m square and 49m square are like term. Only like terms can add or subtract. So 49m square plus 49. 49 plus 49, how much? 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 plus 18 is 98. 98m square and 64 plus 64. First add 60 is 120. 120 plus 8 is 128. Symbol is plus, greater number symbol plus 128 n square. What is the family name? N square. So answer is 28 n square plus 128 n square.